All right, so this right here is phase 2 of going vegan, okay? If I look a little wild, I'm just now waking up. It is what it is, okay? But this right here is phase 2 of going vegan, okay? I've talked about what you can eat for breakfast, right? I've talked about how to substitute, properly substitution. I've also talked about, taking baby steps and valuing those baby steps. And I've also talked about, a little bit about big pharma and why it's important for you to enjoy your process, why it's important for you to not look at those failures as failures but really just learning lessons, okay? Along this journey, um, this is really a self-love journey, yo. It really is. That's what it really comes down to. So something I want to tell you guys is this, all right? We're going to talk about lunch in this video, as well as what we're going to do is talk about cravings, okay? So what you can do for the cravings is develop a system, okay? You need to develop a system so that way you do not fall victim to the cravings, okay? In short, the things that, can help you deal with the cravings is simply switching up your environment, for one. For two, you also want to, get into fitness, something physical, right? Like whether that be Pilates, whether that be calisthenics, weightlifting, just simply cardio, whatever it is, you want to do that because that's going to help, with releasing those endorphins within your brain, okay? Which is really good because, it's the happy feel good chemicals within your brain, those going off in moments where you feel those so-called cravings. Is great because it can help you, gain control, right, of your body. And also, like, it makes you feel good. Really, the reasons why we kind of fall victim to the cravings is because somewhere deep within us, we're not feeling good, okay? So, yeah. You want to do that for cravings. And then in addition to that, you want to, specifically for lunch, what you can do is eat something like that is very dense, okay? So this is specifically for people who want to go vegan, all right? I have another course that I'm working on that's going to be teaching people how to go alkaline, all right, completely for free. But yes, so for lunch, you can do something dense, okay? Do something dense. You can, like what I used to do as a vegan, I used to go to like any of my favorite restaurants that I used to go to as a non-vegan and just literally make the food vegan. So what I would do is if I'm going to, let's say, I don't know, if I'm going to Taco Bell, right, for example, I would never go to Taco Bell today, like ever. But I would go there and get tacos that consist of only beans and rice and vegetables, period, okay? If I was going to, let's say, I don't know, I really don't even know these places anymore. All I know is McDonald's and Taco Bell, and maybe Burger King and Jack in the Box, and that's it. I don't know all these other like restaurants that exist, but typically you go to a Mexican, restaurant and just literally make your food vegan. That's all you have to do, okay? And that can be your lunch. Or what you could do is go to really just any vegan restaurant and get a simple vegan burrito, vegan pizza, vegan tacos, okay? Any of that, all right? Don't worry about the soy, don't worry about the tempeh, don't worry about all of that, okay? Simply you going vegan is going to be great, okay? But keep in mind, yes, I know, yes, we're gonna talk all about it, artificial this, artificial that, soy this, soy that, yes. But this is simply you getting to phase 1, which is you first becoming vegan, okay? So it's okay. Don't try to be perfect, okay? Being perfect is cool, but usually it can lead to you being very frustrated and you could fall. You feel me? You could crash very hard and end up hating this lifestyle, So baby steps, always remember this. I am a firm believer in someone to eat soy and stuff like that along their journey, okay? It's bad for you, yes, in the long run, but the soy is 1,000 times better than, you know, the actual meats and the actual cheeses and the actual, you know, whatever else people are eating, the other animal products. Okay, so baby steps. Okay. So from there, what you want to do is, yeah, that's lunch. Okay, in the next video we'll talk about dinner. Okay, but something else I want to tell you guys is this. All right, in the beginning, you probably are not gonna like the vegan food that is out there. Okay, so you may have to season your food a certain way, so that way it's likable, so that way, you know, you can actually enjoy it. My mama, you know, I don't know, the seasonings go crazy. Okay. Seasonings go crazy. So I kind of love a lot of black pepper and salt. That's what I used to do. And yeah, so what you can do, if you know, have a similar upbringing, or, you know, your mom go crazy with the seasonings, whatever it is, just simply use those same seasonings on your food. And in addition to that, something else I want to say too is this: when I was first going fully vegan, I struggled hard with letting go of cheese. Cheese, bro. Whoa, this fruit tree is amazing. I'm just not realizing it's a fruit tree. Wow, I'm so sorry, but we got to take a moment. Y'all see these little fruits? The little fruits are right here. There's a bunch all up there. But wow, okay, I am probably gonna, damn, all right, nature, do your thing. Cool, so the next video we're gonna talk all about cheese, because I have an experience with cheese and letting go of cheese, and it was very hard. But this right here is all I will say as far as eating, what to eat for lunch. Okay, and then also I'm gonna say this too, it's important, bro. Environment is extremely important. It's been important from the jump, but something I want to tell you guys is that, like, you know, as I started to get out into nature as much as possible, even if I'm just grounding, even if I'm just in my garden, that right there helped me a lot. Okay, so get into nature as much as you possibly can. All right, whether you're a vegan, whether you're an alkaline vegan, whether you're high raw vegan, whatever, I would actually say that the higher you go up, the more you actually need to be in nature. So yes, next video we're talking all about cheese. We're talking about a little bit more about cravings, as well as yeah, we'll start from there.